Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace serpentine belt on Kia Forte with a 1.8 engine guys. That should cover 2014 to 2016 models. So this is guys the serpentine belt, and it's not like a regular tensioner that you just get loose and you remove the belt. You have to use the alternator to get the belt loose and tight as well. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. Also guys, we have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so please subscribe for more videos. 14mm socket, we're going to get the belt loose there. Okay, by loosening that bolt on the back. Okay, and you're going to do that only about 1 revolution, maybe 2 revolutions at the most. Now on the side right here, there is one more bolt down there. This bolt is with 12mm socket. Get it loose again, about 1-2 revolutions. Okay, perfect. Now let's go ahead, okay, get extension with the same 12mm socket. We're going to go ahead, okay, and start getting the belt loose by going counterclockwise. Okay, you can see like that. The belt will eventually start getting quite loose. Okay, you can see pretty loose. So now you cannot remove it from the alternator. What you have to do, okay, we have to pull it off of the water pump. This is the water pump right here, so we're going just to pull it to the side. Okay, let me just grab it good there, and it needs to get a little bit more loose probably. Okay, so let's see if that will be enough now. If not, okay, we go just a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, now I can go ahead, okay, and pull the belt off the water pump. After that, you have to remove it from the AC compressor on the bottom here. Okay, so you need to go down, pull it to the side, and we have the belt attached to the crankshaft pulley there as well. Now it's loose and we need to just pull it out of the water pump. It got stuck in the bolts. Okay, and you can see guys, this is the belt. So you can see the belt is for Hyundai and Kia as well. Now all the tools and parts that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below. Now we get the belt guys, and you can install it from the top without removing the engine cover on the bottom, but you have to play with it a little bit. Okay, you can see this is the AC compressor there, so you need to go underneath it. Okay, so you can get it with the extension probably, or with a screwdriver, just to push it in to go up. I got it, almost got it there. Okay, check it out now, it's loose there, it got on top of the compressor. Now we need to go to the crankshaft pulley, okay, right there. So from the AC compressor to the crankshaft pulley. Okay, you can definitely see it over there. So you can see it installed on the crankshaft pulley. Now we need to go under that gray piece there, okay? So you need to get it with your hand and go underneath it. That's for the timing. Okay, like that. After that, we'll install it on the alternator on top. So you can see from the AC compressor it goes up to the alternator, and the last step will be to install it on the water pump. So alternator goes on the water pump, and from water pump to the crankshaft pulley. Okay, I got it in. Now let us show you again. Okay, you can see you have to make sure that all the teeth are in on the crankshaft pulley, on the AC compressor, and on the alternator as well. Now check how the belt will start getting tight by going clockwise. Okay, you can see the belt started getting tight. Now do not over tighten the belt, because if you do, you put too much stress on the bearings, on the belt itself. Okay, you have to have minimum slack when you press with your finger. After that, you need to get that side bolt tight there, so that way the alternator will not go back, and we'll need to tighten this bolt. Now, we recommend to start the car. Turn the headlights on and the AC compressor, so you have quite a bit of stress on the belt, and if you hear any squeaking, you have to re-tighten the belt a little bit more. You might have to do that after about 500 miles of driving, because the new belt might stretch a little bit. So what we're going to do now, we'll start the car. Okay, always keep your fingers out of the way. Okay, before we start it, okay, you can see how much slack we have, just a little bit. And let's see if we have any squeaks now. No squeak at all. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.